Hello and welcome to PHP for Dummies lesson 15. Today you're going to be learning about cookies, how to use them in its syntax properly, and what they can be used for, including stuff like login systems and how they can be useful like that. Continue to watch and I'll show you exactly what I mean. A cookie is a file that gets stored into the user's computer by the server to remember the computer. This is useful for login pages. If you go on Facebook or YouTube, they use cookies so that you don't have to log in every time you visit a page. It can remember you. Now, to set a cookie in PHP, it uses the following syntax. First of all, you've got to write set cookie, like so. And here you've got the name of the cookie, the value of the cookie, and the time of the cookie. The name is what we're going to be using to refer to the actual cookie itself. The value is what we're going to be using for the user to input the value, and the time is how long the cookie must remain in the user's computer. So as you can see, I've got a couple of files open here. I've got index.php, which is our home page, setcookie.php, setcookie2.php, and clearcookie. On setcookie.php, we're not going to be writing much PHP in this file. We'll just create a basic HTML file like so. And we're going to create a form and set its action to setcookie2.php, and the method to post. Within the form, what we're going to be doing is, we're just going to be remembering the user's name, not any other information. We'll just keep it simple for this tutorial. So we'll create a text input box for the user's name. Type text and the name for the user's name. And then we create a simple submit button and put the value as submit. And that's it. Save that. So it's going to be redirecting the page to setcookie2. Setcookie2.php is where we're going to be setting the actual cookie. And I'll show you exactly how this is done. First, we open our PHP tags. Close that out. And we'll set the cookie like so. Set it to name, and value. Hold on, sorry, I forgot to set a variable. The variable will be user's name, and set that to what the user inputs in the previous page. So we'll use a simple post to get that. What did we save it as? Okay, username. And then, so for the set cookie, we'll call the cookie name, and we'll put the value as user's name. And for the time, we use a function in PHP called time, plus 3,600 seconds, so that's 1 hour. Now we want to go back. We want to send the user back to index.php. We haven't written any code on index.php, not yet. So we'll just use the header function. If you haven't learned about this, you can go on Google. It's very simple. Set that to index.php. So a quick recap. This is going to take the value that the user inputted in setcookie.php and set the cookie with that value, and then redirect the user to index.php. So now we're going to start writing up the majority of our code in index.php. We're going to use an if is set function, like so, which is basically to check if something's been set. And we're going to check if the cookie has been set by typing cookie like so. And hold on, what did we name it as? Yeah, we named the cookie as name, so we write that here. And then if it's been set, this is what it's going to do. We're going to write welcome back and then we'll insert the cookie's value. Right there. So it's going to say welcome back and whatever the person writes is his name. And then yeah, that's it for that. And we'll create an else. Echo welcome new user. And we'll give the user the option of setting the cookie. Click here to set the cookie. And one more thing, we've got to make sure that the user can clear the cookie. So underneath here, what if the cookie's been set, we also echo a link to clearcookie.php and write the text click here to clear the cookie. I'll just add a break tag here. And on clearcookie.php, we're going to write our PHP tags like normal. I'm going to write set cookie, the same name as the cookie we've already set, except without a value, and we'll set the time to minus 3,600 seconds. And that's it. Oh, and we can put the header location to back to the index page. Okay, so let's go look at how this looks like in Firefox. Okay, so here we've got the index page. Welcome new user, since we haven't created the cookie yet. Click here to set the cookie. We click there. We get to a form. We enter our name. I'll write Stefan here. Submit. And it comes back to the index page and says, welcome back, Stefan. And it gives us the option of clearing the cookies. We'll do that, and it's gone back to normal. It's very simple, but you can actually use that to your advantage when you create websites, especially if you use a login system. It's very difficult to do it without cookies. So yeah. So that was cookies in PHP for Dummies lesson 15. Please, thanks for watching firstly, and please comment below to tell me exactly what I need to teach you guys next, because I'm running out of ideas to teach you. So post a comment below and tell me what you want to learn. I'll be glad to help. Thanks for watching.